See, I'm over here with Paul Porter, and we're going to talk about how to repair a turntable. What you working on, Paul?
Well, I'm trying to get a belt on a Techniques belt drive turntable, and I'm trying to find the pitch adjustment because 45 speed is a little fast. Maybe this will fit. There's the hole.
So that adjusts the speed of the turntable?
Supposedly. DC motor, servo belt drive, pitch control for each speed, yeah. Oh. Well, vacation's over. Alright, one new belt. Customer took this to another shop. They wanted $250 to fix this turntable.
What? Just putting a belt on it?
Belt. Oh, they were going to put on a belt and new RCA cables and a new needle and cleaned it and lubed it.
What's the matter with the RCA cables?
Nothing.
The RCA cables don't typically go out on.
No, but they were going to make some money off this guy. But he found me, so he's lucky. Okay.
What is this, the Techniques?
Yeah. Okay, boy, did I find the wrong hole. Come here.
Hey, Alex!
Hey! How you doing?
Okay.
What are you doing? Was it the wrong speed or something?
Well, the belt didn't tracked off. Now I got to set the right speed. There we go. Yeah, they don't put these controls where you can get to them. It's kind of annoying. All right, there's 33 1/3. No, that must be the 45. Yeah, that's a 45. Alright, there's 45. That means the other one is 33 1/3.
So there's two controls?
Yeah. And there's a pitch control on the front. You can vary it to your heart's content, and that one wasn't centered, so I need to do them again. Okay, plus and minus. Yeah, they're going to want it $250. I can do the whole thing for $60. Parts and labor. Still make money. Perfect. Alright, pop that on there. And needs a new needle because this one has been bent, but I straightened it. It will probably be good enough for testing. Let me see. The mat. Come here, cord. Plug it into the amp.
You got this recently?
And got a ground wire. It's an alligator clip. Come on. And where's my test record? Right there. Set the weight. There's 0. And we had music.
Wow.
And it's even in stereo. So, not that complicated.
Okay, Paul, tell us what you just did.
Change a worn out and slipping belt so that it'll run on speed, and set the speed adjustments to get the correct speed at 33 and 45. The needle needs to be replaced, but it's good enough to test it with. And I think this is an auto return. Let's see if it auto returns. Yeah, Soro automatic. And it does. I want to charge this guy more than the turntable's worth to fix it.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm sorry, that's just not right.
They probably wouldn't have done as good a job as you just did.
I'm sure they would have done a good job, they just would have charged too much. Get these where the motor's bad or the bushings are bad, or there's something really wrong with them, but most times it's just a slipping belt and a bad or questionable needle. Speed controls need to be clean. There's some slight volume control to get to where they're scratchy and won't stay on speed. This one works great. This guy's ready to go if he had a new needle. If it was mine, I'd use a needle till it broke, but he'll want a new needle. Not a problem.
So how long did it take you to fix this?
About 20 minutes.
Yeah.
That's why I'm not rich. I don't charge enough. But I got lots of happy customers. It's a nice Shure cartridge and an original Shure needle. Somebody got careless and bent it back, and I straightened it, and it's working. But it'll eventually break off. But you could play a lot of records before that happened. I'll find out if he wants to buy a new needle or not. I can always get the microscope and look at the diamond tip to make sure that it's not damaged.